lọ má bínú. Idiot tó lọ sókè rẹ̀ ni mo lé lọ fẹ́ lọ bá tèmi jẹ́ ń bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Kí ni wíìsì sọ̀nbọ̀n tí ń bọ̀ bọ́lẹ̀ tí ń jábọ̀? Do you know where you are going? Ẹ̀wọ̀n tẹ́ ẹ̀ lọ ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ pé wá lọ sínú shrine náà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa lè wọ shrine lọ nìyẹn. Kí rubbish wo nìyẹn? Ìbúlẹ̀ tí ń bọ̀ kílẹ̀ ń wá talẹ̀ ń béèrè kílẹ̀ fẹ́.
Iṣẹ́ ni mo wá gbà mí báyìí.
So contractor lẹ́yìn.
Mi ò kì í ṣe contractor. Ṣé bíbí iṣẹ́ yín náà ló gbé fẹ́ gásì pé àwọn ń wá yàn wọ́n dẹ̀ wá sí ìgbà pé mo fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́.
Very good. Ẹ sọ nǹkan tó important bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹni pé a gbé vacancy síta pé àwa yan àwa ẹranko.
Ẹ dá padà jáde. Kí ló ní ṣe àmọ́ èèyàn tó dúró síwájú yìí ni? Ẹ mọ̀ mí, ẹ ń pè mí lẹ́ranko. Kẹ́tọ́ máa fún yín pọ̀, ṣé wàá rẹ̀?
Tí o bá ń gbó náà ẹranko ló ń gbó, ìranjá ló ń gbó, either bingo or ṣàwáwá or barking dog, ẹranko ló ń gbó. Ẹgbẹ́ sọ́jọ́!
Wàhálà, má bá yín fọ́ wàhálà mi báyìí. Láyé yẹn má pè mí lẹ́ranko mọ́.
Gàrẹ̀, ó ti wá yé mi báyìí, ó ti yé mi, èmi ni mo slide, ó ti yé mi. Ó ti bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe báyẹn mo rí signboard yẹn bí tán lè mọ́ fún yín rè. Hello ma, sit down.
Lájẹ yẹn má tẹ̀lé máa mọ̀. Ẹ lójú ni abẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe gbọ́ mọ̀jú. Ṣé mo lọ́yàn láyà ni? Kí ni ìtumọ̀ yẹn? Sani mí.
Sani. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Sani. Mo rí pé Salaru. Ẹ ṣáà jókòó, you can have your seat.
Wọ́n fábílì yìí Salaru. Ọ̀rọ̀ ilé ìjẹ̀mí rárá. Any power. This job. Abeg.
Kí ló ní ná?
God abeg o.
Hello.
Hey, what are they gone? What they battle will be ẹranko? What's all this? Hello, what you look gan? Ṣé tí bá pé you're busy. When you say that human being is busy, you relax. You have to relax. And zero conscience, zero respect, and zero common sense. No sense. Are you a normal person? Nikini, what do you want? Paulem Lori?
I'm here for the interview.
You have an interview. Okay. So your common sense will tell you people that are sit down, they are also here for the interview because it's people you are better than them. Hello, Auntie Ismail. Hello, Joko. Hello, Mama. Excuse me, ma. Just a question, please. Sorry, Lo. The things that you gather in your body, you say original ni, Avejawa ni, or how?
Kí ni mo gather?
Exactly. Now, buttocks tọ̀dọ̀ yín àti boobs tọ̀dọ̀ yín ṣe ẹ̀yin gangan lè ní abẹ́wọ̀ pad ìwọ̀ bọ́ǹbọ̀.
Tí gan wà ńbẹ̀, bóyá kẹ́ wá tẹ̀.
Come on. Mo sọ fún ipò grease èmi àbí kí n wá tẹ̀. Oníṣọ̀kúṣe oníbàjọ́ ọmọdé. Not beige.
Auntie, kí ni ẹjọ́ fake lóòótọ́?
Ẹjọ́ lẹ fẹ́ tò.
God abeg o. Na my job it is. Na my job it is. Any power. I take it. Collect it. This job.
Ọwọ́ Sisi. Ìwọ kìíní kọ́. Ọwọ́ bọ̀bọ̀ ni.
God abeg. Ẹ̀bọ́n God wà bẹ́ẹ̀ yóò ṣubú lẹ́pàá. Kí ló dé gan? Ẹ̀yin nìkan lè wá ṣe wá bí báyìí ni. Èwo ni God abeg. This is my job. Job yìí wo. Ẹni disturb náà. Tẹ bá fẹ́ ṣàdúrà ẹ̀dẹ̀ dá ṣàdúrà.
Sorry. Me or them?
I'm talking to you.
Boss.
You.
God abeg o. This job. Listen, my dear sister.
Hey, go back. I am not a sister. Ọkùnrin ni mí. I'm a man, a full-grown man.
My bad.
No problem. Apologies taken.
My personal bad.
Apology taken.
If it's not that you are the one they want to use against my destiny to get this job, the prayer I'm praying is not for you. Although it can still help you because as I'm looking at you, you need prayer.
Just tell us why we need that draw.
Auntie, you need prayer.
Don't call me auntie. I just told you I'm a man. Are you all right? I don't need your prayer. I prayed before coming here. So what's your problem?
If you don't need prayer, as I come, you go. I near you. I pray for my destiny.
But you are disturbing me.
You know what? It's not your fault. At times they do used to release different model. So now your model they just release now.
What
I
do you
can
mean?
see.
What kind of species is your own?
It's better you remove the mop in your eye so you can see road.
I say any power. This job, I collect it. Shut up your mouth and stop shouting, Joe. Stop shouting here. Kí ló ṣe yín náà? Rú àwọn ẹranko wo mò ń pàdé lẹ́nu ìgan náà?
My dear mommy.
Don't ever call me mommy.
Listen attentively. This job is my own and not.
I don't care.
If not that, you did not receive enough prayer before you come here. All this fata photo fiti will not happen to you.
We never happen to
You cannot stand in the middle of my blessing. You will not.
Oh.
You will. I will drag you.
You will drag you.
I
I will drag you. You don't know who you are talking about. If you are back on the power. You don't know who you are. I've been looking for you. You can never drag me. Drag me. Drag you. Drag me. I will let you go. Mommy, I'm drag you. Drag you.
Hello. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ mi báyìí? Kí ló fariwo? Láì ṣe pé inú ọjà lẹ wà.
This bakery. Can you didn't come now? This whole day you meet on the ground. Ariwo òfò ni o. Bóyá ń hó bí ọ̀rọ̀ dọ̀gì nìyẹn o. Since morning that they arrive here.
Ta làwọn people yìí náà?
These are people that came for interview and looking for you. These people that want to do interview for you.
So interview lẹ wá fún lẹ wá ń pariwo tó tó yìí. Ìgbà tẹ́ mọ̀ ń pariwo ń wù yín pa. Kí ló dé tẹ́ ṣe lọ sínú ọjà? Àbí what rubbish is this?
I don't understand.
Auntie Ewa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ má bínú. Mo gbọ́ tó sọ́nsìn pé wà láwọn tó máa ṣe interview fún wa.
Yes.
Ẹ ní discipline rárá. Ẹ dẹ̀ tún sọ pé yes. Ẹ bá ní discipline ni, ẹ pé interview ní 9 o'clock, ẹ máa bọ̀ ní tó 10. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, ṣebí wọ́n sọ pé leadership by example ni. Irú example wo lẹ̀yin lè yẹn?
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ má bínú ọkùn Sisi. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, time wo gangan lẹ̀yin dé?
Mo débi báyìí ní 8:45. Idiot gate náà tẹ́ gbé síbẹ̀ yẹn. Mo gbálẹ̀kùn títí 6:09 ló tó ṣí gate fún mi. Ìgbà tó wá ṣí gate fún mi, wèrè ọ̀sìn wí tèmi àti níjà ti tẹ́lẹ̀ ìyẹn ṣí driver yín. Òun bá ní ìwé ló bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ wàhálà. Òun ló ṣe sáré gba bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí mo ṣe lọ. Mo ti débi tipẹ́. Mo ti débi tipẹ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ máa fọpọlọ sí. Ẹ máa fọpọlọ sí. Ẹ hó wàhálà apology bẹ̀ ṣe wà yẹn.
Uncle. Ẹ dẹ̀ shock pé interview lẹ wá ṣe ń bí báyìí.
Oh yes. Ó dẹ̀ dá mi lójú pé màá ríṣẹ́ ìgbà because I'm super qualified.
Okay.
Ẹ ti gbà tán. Hello sir, ẹ ti gbà tán.
Normally, all these companies, you're supposed to give interview dates for people, then others another date.
On a normal date, they're supposed to give a special date for this interview. Femi, Sisi, and other animals, another date.
It's not your fault.
You guys are making noise. Serious noise.
You two are shouting. I think they not catch you.
Ẹ̀yin gan máa sáré kú ni. Wọ́n ní mẹ́yìn.
Wọ́n ní mú yín. But Emily, you know, Cassie, you are pointing fingers at me. It's a bit that you have not yet done. You are pointing fingers at me. And Shirima, you will say.
Ìrẹ́pẹ́, wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ ẹja tó tóbi tó burú. Ọ̀bọ̀kún bá sọ̀rọ̀ yàn fẹ́.
Ẹ kọ́ òṣìkò rẹ̀ tó fún mi jọ. Nípa àwọn ti ta ni. You put that on that table again. I will cut her. I'm get down. Tí o ní sọ tó máa tẹ̀yìn ẹ̀yọ́ ní kíni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ fẹ́ gbọ́ lọ tébìlẹ̀ kó tébọ̀ láti lé yín. Balabala.
Sálà ọdún ti pẹ́. Anybody.
Nobody should say anything in this place again, please, or else I'll cancel the interview. Torí mi mọ́kàn tó fariwo òfò. Please, everybody should quiet. A silence.
Ẹ jọ ṣé mo lè ró mi.
Yes. Let's do this.
Your name, please.
Ma?
Your name.
Okay, my name.
My own.
So, my name, sorry, do you want the long one or the short one?
Give us the short one.
Okay. Because the time my grandfather bathed me, he gave me the name. Then my grandma collect me from him. Give me another one. So that's why a short one.
And I'm very sure that your grandfather you have died. Ego le fi pa wọ́n, ẹ̀rù jọ pa wọ́n kú ni. Balabala. Give us your name, ja.
Sorry, ma. So my name for short is Omonoba Fregene Ogonoriagbon Pampantripon, aka Frank for short.
Wonderful.
That one is in maternal nickname.
So all this name now is Frank for short. So if Frank for long,
We will not be interested in that one. If you want to Frank for long, we will leave that to go. So, Frank for short.
Yes,
Let's go.
So sir.
Actually, I did not see your CV. I mean, you have it on this laptop. Whether short cover and short cover, I didn't see it. Where's your CV?
Okay, ma. Thank you very much for that question. It's a good question, ma, and I will answer it. So this is the thing, ma. Because when I was coming here, I perused how much I have in my account. I see 634 naira 72 kobo. Now, when I see that downstairs, I reach there. They say I do photocopy, total photocopy, each copies, everything total to 352 naira 22 kobo. So, and I do the calculation. I minus one from there. I say if I do that, I will trek home. So, and I use my medulla oblongata. I reason myself. You understand? The cerebellum, you talk to the perineum. I said, this is it. Let me come in person. Because, you understand? What a man can see, a man can see. If you see me, you already see my CV.
No, you don't have a CV for us.
I have, ma.
Yes. So where is it?
I'm here, ma.
Please, can you tell us why gang should we hire you?
God forbid, ma. Because can't pay you. He can never pay you, ma. Because if you hire me now, that's like somebody say, okay, I have a shift. That's times 30 days by 4 weeks. Then one day, 7 days make 1 week. But it's better that you don't even hire. Because hire for labor is like, if somebody, that's hire, then purchase. You know that even hire, but you pay more. That's the thing. So you can't pay you, ma. They can never pay you if you hire purchase me.
Mr. Man,
Ma.
she was just trying to ask you why we should employ you.
Okay, ma, sorry, because it's better you employ me because that's why I'm here. That's why we have to work. Because as you're looking at me, if you employ me, it's better for everybody because it will save you money. Other than the hire or chase or hire me. Because as you're looking at me now, let's say anything professional, that's me. Anything like photo snapping, that's my work. Among other things, photo snapping, that's why because I see your signboard. Now, anybody, let's say even the person not bath, I snap the person. I take him down. He will look like you are bath inside the photo. Water will be dropping. That you drip, you're on fleek. That's my work. People used to see me and say, my work, he do speak for me. Understand? Even if anybody, a couple getting married, I take him down. The bride, I gun her down with the camera. Like I snap her down. If it's a groom, I'll gun him down. That's with the camera.
I hope you don't have a gun here.
No, that's
They don't pay me for this job because I'm a wagon.
No, sorry, ma. Try and understand with me. Work with me, ma.
Oh, God, was it that?
Bear mass. That's my work. Anybody that come at me like this, I take them with the photo. I snap them. Even if somebody's destiny is dirty, is not doing well, I snap him. By the time I watch the film inside studio like this, come out clean.
Sorry, Mr. Professor. Very, very glowing. Which work you are doing? Say you are doing photographer working, I will say up your long gun, don't go straight up. That's the work you are doing.
Any work, like you do anything that available.
Thank you very much.
As long as there's money, Bobby.
There's a way life will prepare you for what's coming. Life already prepared me for what's coming. Any one of you, ma, anybody can try me, ma. They are going down in my camera.
Okay.
If you try me, I'll snap you.
You do kidnapping too.
That one. I not have the opportunity.
I hope you are not.
So if you have,
We will.
As a professional, ma.
Look, we have a lot of people downstairs.
Okay, ma. In case the
Oh, yeah, only can one man love.
as in to leave the premise.
Hello, Mr. Peruzzi. You said you should be going.
Okay. So
I said we'll get back to you when we call you.
we are working with.
They said you should be going, John. You are calling winning. Very good.
Kidnapper.
My God.
Ain't that bad?
Unique.
Next.
Sisi lorúkọ mi, Asamarege wọn ni logo mi. Sisi. Ọlọ́wọ́ idán. Sisi. Bulldozer tó ń wọlé. Sisi o. Satellite everywhere you go, Asamarege yìí.